Hey folks, it's been raining much of the evening along the coast. You can see the radar showing the rain kind of moving in right on the island and maybe into Port Isabel, but for the most part, it's not making it all the way into the rest of the valley. We'll let it run here for just a little bit so you can see how the moisture continues to push right there, right along the coast. But once you get into the inland parts of the valley, there's really not much going on. There's the close-up of it and just kind of waves of rain coming across the coast, across the bay and into Port Isabel, and then it just kind of fades away before it gets to much of the rest of the valley. Now, this is the satellite and radar together that goes back 12 hours and a little bit of a disturbance in the flow, if you will, sitting just off the coast, and that's kept the rain offshore, but there's been spotty, really light stuff across the rest of the valley, but nothing really big. Now tonight there could be a shower or two, some light rain, some drizzle, pretty much at any spot during any time. It's not going to be a wet night per se, except maybe at the coast. Everybody else just spotty stuff. And by tomorrow afternoon, it's still cool. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon about 10 degrees warmer than today, but still well below the seasonal norm with the spotty showers. Now during football hours tomorrow night, there'll still be clouds around, probably isolated showers as well. A couple of the games may see some light misty rain during the evening hours tomorrow, so plan on that if you're going to a football game. It's not going to be a heavy rain by any means, and a lot of the games won't see anything, but there'll be a few that pick up that mist, and that'll just be kind of messy if you're out there. On Saturday, we warm up, but there's still a lot of clouds around, still spotty sprinkles, but at least temperatures will be back in the upper 70s, even low 80s on Saturday afternoon. Your rain chances about a 40% probability, some light stuff tomorrow, drops off to 20% on Saturday, then comes back to 30% on Sunday with an actual shower possible as a front nears us again late Sunday. That front doesn't have any cool air with it, but it may be enough to trigger a few showers. These are the currents, still upper 50s and low 60s. If anything, we've come up a couple from earlier today, and we're showing lows in the mid 50s tonight, but we may not make it to these numbers. Again, I think temperatures may actually come up a notch overnight tonight, and then tomorrow we're back up in the upper 60s to low 70s with those spotty showers around the region. The next 3 days look this way: 67, 79, then 83. By the time we get to Sunday, those are all at or below the seasonal norm. Rest of Texas tonight, quick check of the temperatures: 52 in Austin, 49 in Dallas, Houston's 57, San Antonio 54 degrees tonight. So for us tonight, cloudy and cool with drizzle in a few spots, about 55 for your low, and then tomorrow mostly cloudy with sprinkles possible. Your high tomorrow should be right around 67 degrees. So we warm it up. By the time you get to Sunday, we're at 83, but still spotty showers are possible and still plenty of clouds around. It's not until about Tuesday that I think sun begins to kind of take over, and when that happens, temperatures go back up in the mid to upper 80s once again. So tomorrow, a little bit warmer than today, but not a lot, and still a lot of clouds around. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.